Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
This guide shows every way to zoom in Windows 10 quickly and reliably. Use the magnifier app for system-wide zoom and Windows keyboard shortcuts for speed. Press Windows plus to open magnifier and Windows minus to reduce magnification. Alternatively, use Control plus mouse wheel to zoom within many desktop apps and browsers. You can also pinch to zoom on touchscreens and three-finger gestures on some touchpads. Close magnifier with Windows plus and Windows ESC or with the App Close button. Remember, shortcuts work across accounts, but specific apps may override default zoom behavior. Open Settings, then Ease of Access, then Magnifier to adjust default zoom behavior. Choose Full Screen, Lens, or Docked View to change how zoom displays on screen. Set zoom increments to 100%, 200%, or custom steps like 25%. Enable smooth edges for better readability and turn on invert colors for contrast. Use Keep Mouse Centered and Track Mouse to make navigation predictable while zoomed. Docked View shows zoomed region in a top strip that never covers the taskbar. Press Windows ESC to exit magnifier immediately when you finish zooming tasks. Most apps use Control plus and Control minus to change zoom levels inside the window. Press Control 0 to reset browser zoom to 100% instantly in most browsers. For system-wide scaling, open Settings, then System, then Display, and adjust scale to 125%. High DPI screens often require a sign-out to apply scaling changes correctly to apps. Use browser menus for precise zoom increments like 110%, 125%, and 150%. Pinch to zoom works in touch-enabled apps, while touchpad gestures
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.